In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a crispy and delicious chicken burger. So stay tuned. So to make this chicken burger, here I have my chicken thighs, which I've already washed and deboned. So I'm going to add the chicken into a bowl, season with salt. I also add crushed stock cube. I will stir to mix properly. I'll be adding white pepper powder. You can also decide to add any seasoning of your choice. Then I'm also going to be adding chili flakes. This is optional, but if you want it spicy, try adding this. Then I'm going to stir to mix properly. Then after stirring, I'm going to cover it and leave it to marinate in the fridge for about 5 hours or more. So for the coating, I'll be using 2 types of flour, plain flour and cornflour. So I will top it up with 1 tablespoon of cornflour. I'll also add 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder. Add any seasoning of your choice. I'm just adding Chinese 5 spices. This is a mixed spice. I'll add salt. Stir to mix properly. Then into a bowl, I'm going to crack 1 egg. I'll also add a little milk. Stir to mix properly. So for the marinated chicken, I'm going to pour in the egg mixture into the marinated chicken. This egg mixture will help to texturize and make the chicken juicy. Stir to mix. As you can see, my flour mixture is on a flat plate, so I'm going to transfer the marinated chicken into the flour. Allow it to coat properly. So when I'm done coating, I will set aside, then repeat the same process until I'm done with all the marinated chicken. When I'm done coating it, I'll add it again into the egg mixture, coat it again, then set aside. So at this stage, I've already preheated the oil. So I'm going to add the chicken into the oil, then allow to fry. From time to time, I will turn the chicken so that the both sides will fry properly. So after frying the chicken for about 15 minutes, it has turned golden brown. I'm going to remove from the oil and set aside. So to make the burger sauce, into a bowl, I'll be adding some mayo. I'll also add ketchup. I will add mustard. It to be spicy, you can add any chili sauce of your choice, but I'm going to add some chili flakes. Then I'm going to stir to mix properly. When I'm done mixing, I will set aside. I'm going to toast the burger bread or buns. So into a preheated pan, I'll be adding some butter. So I'm going to rub the burger breads on the butter, then allow it to toast. When the burger bread have toasted, I'm going to remove from the heat, then repeat the same process until I'm done. After toasting the burger bread, I'm going to assemble the burger. I will apply the burger sauce on the bread. Make sure that I spread it out. Then add the lettuce, onion, top it up with the fried chicken. I'll also add cheese. Please feel free to add any topping of your choice. Then I'm going to top it up with the burger sauce, then cover the bread. Finally, the crispy and delicious burger chicken is ready. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this, and I want you to try it out and give me a feedback. Thank you all for watching.